Microwaves. There's still people today who say, oh, nuke this.
But people are afraid of microwaves. They're afraid that something's going to happen to their food that makes it less good. Everybody's scared that it fucks up the food. Does it?
No, it just heats the water. The water molecule and other molecules common in food respond to microwaves. It vibrates them. The water content of the food vibrates. Friction cooks the food.
So you don't have to worry about it. It's not doing anything to it. It's not sucking any nutrients out or adding any nuclear radiation.
Correct. Have no fear. It's just friction.